Hello. So after processing this template, you will get these two web folders. One is for API and one is for client. So I used Visual Studio Code to develop both this web project. Uh, I opened here. This is Quiz Plus client, and this is quiz, quiz, quiz plus API. This video will be the installation of this project, and there will be another video, and that video will be the client side presentation. So I will go through this video only to the technical side. So for technical side, you have to uh, first I open Quiz Plus API, that project, and you have to write first here. If you not installed before .NET tools, so you have to write here this command .NET tool install, and this one. So I already installed it, so I don't need to write this on my code here. And then you have to write .NET build. So this two is already configured for me, so I will start with this one. So uh, this ones will be used to create a migration folder here with some files. So I need to write it here. So this one .df migrations at initial, and you have to execute this. After is successfully executing, a migration folder will be here. It will take some time, maybe some 20 or 30 seconds. So the build is started, and soon after the build will be succeeded, and then you have to write these two lines, uh, this one, then this one. So our migration is done. You can look it here, and then you have to write, as I said earlier, this line .df database update. After successfully executed this line, where database will be created with some predefined data, or you may like to see seek data in the database. So I like to see you the project structure here. There is a controller folder here with some controllers, and there will be a model folder here with models, and there will be resources folder here for all the resources, and there will be services folder here for services, and there will be a view model folder there. And this is a simple structure of this project, and I like to now go to this app settings.json file. So on this file you can see here 5 connections for 5 different database. This one for MS SQL, this one for MySQL, and also for other 3 database. And for those 5 different connections, I write uh, 5 configure service methods here. So when you want to use the SQL server, you need to use this one, and when you want to use MySQL, then you need to use this one. And for others 3 database also, SQLite, PostgreSQL, and the Oracle. So this demo I used MySQL, that's why I only uncomment this MySQL portion, and other 4 database connections are commented here. So you can see here the MySQL connection string here, and I used it the MySQL connection portion. So the database will be created on our MySQL server with the name of this one, Quiz Plus DB. So we can look through this one. There is no one here yet. So I refresh it. And look, quiz plus db is created in our MySQL database with some seed data also. You can see those there, and others also are present here. So now I need to run this project. So you can see it here. The next one is the .NET run, and the .NET run. And now I like to go to the client side. This project is running on localhost 5001 port. You can see it here. So now I like to go to the quiz plus client portion. So in quiz plus client portion, you just need to write these two commands. First one is npm install. To execute this command, this node modules folder will be created. I have already there, so I don't like to execute this again. And then you have to write npm run serve, and after executing this line, this folder will be this client project will be running at localhost 8080 port. So you can see it here, localhost 8080. So you may see the project is running here. So the only configuration is need to link to the client project to the API is that this one, in config.js file you have to write the port which port is running on quiz plus API. So you can see this one, localhost 5001, and I write it in quiz plus kind config.js file. So now this is the only configuration to link with the API project to the client, and you can see this is running here. And so this one is the technical presentation. So this is end of this presentation. Thanks for watching.